हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू झरवाल एकेडमी। आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल झरवाल ग्रेविटी। सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज रेजिस्टिविटी। रेजिस्टिविटी इज द टॉपिक फ्रॉम आवर चैप्टर दैट इज करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। Today we will see about the resistivity. What is meant by resistivity? What the resistivity term indicates? We will go through the details. So yesterday we had already learned about the resistor, that is resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is the property of material by virtue of which material opposes the rate of flow of current. That property of the material matter is called as resistance. Resistance is vary in the material. As we use the copper, the resistance of the copper is different. When we use the aluminium, then the resistance of aluminium is different. When we use the iron, then the resistance of the iron is different. So in single word we can say that the resistance is depends on the property of material, and when the material changes, the resistance also changes. So similarly, that resistance is depends on another four factor. What are that four factor? We will go through the details. Resistance is depends on these four factor, and that four factor are: first is the length of the conductor. First is the length of the conductor. Then the second one is the area of cross section. Third one is the temperature, and last one is the nature of material. Nature of material. The resistance of the material or resistance of the conductor is depends on these four factors. Length of the conductor, it is defined by L. Area of cross section, it is defined by A. Temperature defined by T, and nature of the material is denoted by N. So the resistance is depends on these four factors, but out of these we require for the resistivity these two factors, that is length and area. Remember, in this topic we are studying resistivity, but we start from the resistance, and the resistance of the conductor is depends on the four factor: length, area, temperature, and nature of material. Now see here. The first two factor is very important when we see the resistivity. First one, the resistance of the conductor is depends on the length. That is, resistance of the conductor is directly proportional to length. Then second one is resistance of the conductor is depends on area, but how? It is inversely proportional to the area. So these two factors says that when we increase the length of conductor, then there is increase in the resistance. When we decrease the length, then there is decrease in the resistance. So in simple word we can say that resistance is directly proportional to length. But in case of area of cross section, when we increase the area of cross section, then resistance decreases, and when we decrease the area of cross section, resistance increases. So in single word we can say that the resistance of the conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So stated, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If we combine these two equations, how we combine that equation? Because both have the same RHS. So R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. So we can write like this: R is directly proportional to L, inversely proportional to A. As we know that when we remove this proportionality sign or replace that proportionality sign by the equal to sign, then we have to put here constant, and here we put the constant rho, that is L upon A. L upon A, and rho is the constant. But what is that rho? Rho is equal to R A upon L, and here R is the resistance, L is the length, A is the area of cross section, and what is rho? Rho is the constant, or we can say that constant resistivity. So this is the resistivity, and this is the formula for resistivity. बहुत लोगों के मन में ऐसा होगा कि आप रेजिस्टिविटी पढ़ा रहे हो, पर पहले एक्सप्रेशन क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो, पहले डेफिनेशन बताओ, उसका स्टेटमेंट क्या हो बताओ। तो इसके लिए, इसकी डेफिनेशन समझने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है कि पहले आप उसका डेरिवेशन देखो। जब फॉर्मूला मिल जाता है तो फॉर्मूला से आपको उसका डेफिनेशन बनाना बहुत इजी हो जाता है। तो अपन ने अभी उसका जो डेफिनेशन फॉर्मूला जो अपने को मिला है वो क्या है? रो इज इक्वल टू आर ए अपॉन एल। So we can make the definition from this formula. How we can make the definition? This R and A has multiplication in between them, and RA has the ratio with L. So simply we can define the resistivity. If the question asked in the examination like define resistivity, what is meant by resistivity, what is resistivity, explain the term resistivity, then you can answer it. The resistivity of the conductor, the resistivity of the material is states that the resistivity of the conductor is states that the ratio of multiplication of resistance and area of cross section to the length of the conductor. Very simple. The resistivity of the conductor is defined as the ratio of multiplication of or product of resistance and area of cross section to the length of the conductor, and this is the simple definition of the resistivity, and this is about the resistivity. This total question is asked in the examination for 3 marks generally. Define or what is resistivity, derive an expression for resistivity. You can answer it by the step by step like this. If the question is like this, what is resistivity? If the question is like this, what is resistivity? Question mark. Derive an expression for it. Then you can answer first the definition, write heading resistivity, and then you can write the definition. The resistivity of the conductor is defined as the ratio of product of resistance and area of cross section to the length of conductor is called as resistivity. Then you can derive the expression, write the heading expression, and then you can write by point to point. First point, we know that the resistance of the conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, and write this equation number 1. Then write second point. Similarly, the resistance of the conductor is depends on the area of cross section, and write this statement: R is inversely proportional to A. Write this equation as equation number 2. Then write third point. From equation 1 and 2, combining equation 1 and 2, we can write this. After that, write this. After that, write rho. What is rho? Constant. Resistivity. And in the last, write this formula. Rho is equal to R upon L. And below this formula, you can write this is an expression for resistivity, and this is the answer for this question. In the next topic we will see the another topics like the power, then electrical power, and the unit, and etc etc. तो ऐसे ही वीडियो और देखने के लिए लाइक का बटन ज़रूर दबाइए और आपको कौन से वीडियो और देखना है उसके लिए कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए।